Hey y'all, it's your girl Lala. Welcome again to the backyard. So today we are going to be harvesting our beans. I have some beans I need to take off. As well as I'm going to be harvesting my summer squash. So let's go in and take a look at the summer squash. Wow. I'm not gonna let it stay any longer, guys, because I don't want it to spoil or it to be eaten by the bugs. So I'm gonna take them off today. Now all of them are pollinated, but I'm gonna take off the ones that are there. Even though they're small, they still can be used. So let's do that. Now guys, for some reason, this particular squash plant has so many female flowers, which I'm very happy for. Now, but not many male flowers, as I've said before, to pollinate them. Now, this is how you know the female flowers. You have the flower right there, and then you have the squash right behind it. Because I have not seen any bees or butterflies flying around my garden pollinating my flowers, I had to manually pollinate the flowers. So what I did, I took the male flowers from my pumpkin squash on the other side of the garden and I manually pollinate these. One of which I pollinated. It is very big and I'm not going to let it get any bigger. I'm going to take it off because I don't want to lose it to the bugs. So I'm going to take it off. And this one is so far down below. And these things are spiky. I don't know why they're so spiky, but they're, ooh, right in my hand. So I'm going to try to go down below and take it off. So here it is. Beautiful. Thank you, Lord. Wow. Guys, this is my first time actually harvesting summer squash. I grew it before, but they never come. So this is the first time I'm actually harvesting a summer squash from my garden. So thank you, Lord. Now some of these, this one I also did pollinate, but as you can see, it's not as big as the first squash. Maybe because of the cross in the pollens. So, you know, like I did mention, I've used the pumpkin squash flower to pollinate these. Even though they're small, they still can be used. And the more you take them off, the more you get. So I have two more over here. I don't want to lose them. I thought this one would come out. So that's it right there, guys. That's my harvest for my squash. And like I said, some of them I missed because, you know, we don't have the male flowers that came up on time with these. So not all of them are pollinated. So some of them are still there. I believe I missed this one earlier this morning. And I missed this one over here. I don't know if that one is going to reopen again tomorrow. But this one will reopen tomorrow. So I will try to come back in the morning and pollinate that one. I did this one as well. but nothing is going on with that one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be harvesting my beans. So I'm just going to be taking off my beans, and then I'm going to uproot the plants, because as you can see, there is some kind of fungus on the leaves. I don't believe these beans were supposed to dry on the plant, but I have neglected my beans. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these and come back, guys. So guys, what I've been doing is that I've started to rake off some of the colored cabbage leaves. Some of them I'm just gonna cut it up and put it in my freezer, while some of it I'm gonna cook tonight. Because these things, they get so big, and you know, the more you break from it, it will put out more leaves. So fresh and nice. It's too hot to leave some of these things in the garden for too long. If they stay too long too, I think they get a little bit bitter. So I'm just lightening up, because like the okras are there and the tomatoes are there, so giving the okra and the tomato more space to grow. So just taking off some of these leaves. See, putting them right there, because I'm going to take it inside. I'm going to wash them off, and I'm going to cut them up. So I'm going to take off some more, just a little bit more, not too much. I believe this is a sunflower plant. I believe that's the sunflowers. See, because this one does not have enough space to grow, they look so lanky. So I'm just taking them off. And guys, don't waste anything in your garden. Anything that you grow in your garden, do not waste it. Make sure you use it. And I also have some eggplants in the front to harvest as well. I have some eggplants to harvest. Yeah. Yep. I even noticed, guys, aphids on them. Look at that. So airing out the bed, lightening up the garden. Let's take off some more. And it will grow back. I'm not worried about it. It will grow back. It will put out more. See right here? We have more eggplants to get. Okay? More eggplants, guys. More eggplants. Look at that. But I won't take you through the entire process. I'm just going to get them off. And this plant right here, this one, it's already turning yellow, so soon this eggplant is going to die, but this one over here is still going. So I'm gonna get off the eggplants because the sooner you get them off, the better it is for the plant to put out more blossoms. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting the eggplants off right now. So guys, here is my harvest from today. Eggplants, beans, and these are the black-eyed peas, by the way. You can see them right there. And my summer squashes. So proud of my summer squashes. Thank you, Lord. And over here, these are my green leaves. So these are some colored cabbage leaves that you saw me harvest from the backyard, ready for the freezer. And over here I have some cauliflower leaves that you saw me harvest in that previous video. Okay, ready for the freezer. And guys, this is exactly what you want to do. You want to take your leaves off, cut them up, put them in the freezer until you're ready to use them. Do not lose them to the bugs, and do not lose them to the elements for them to turn yellow. Okay, so the quicker you take them off, you keep watering your plants, the more leaves will come out and you will have more to put away until you're ready to use it. So guys, if you enjoyed this little video, go ahead, give me a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. It's your girl Lala. Say bye.